And again, this is a little after 8 p.m. in London. Let's try again. CQDX, New York 202 USA, we're trying. And that's what we're seeing a lot of lately. It'll come on strong like that, out of the blue. And you got to keep checking, and is what it is.
West Coast, CQ West Coast. This is Oscar Papa 141 England calling.
CQDX, this is New York 202, Adirondack Mountains, operator Drew. I copy a station. Hey, Kate. Needlebender 01, Kate. Needlebender 01, Kate. New York 202. How are you? New York 202, Kate. Needlebender 01, I did hear you in the background. There's a lot of stations on, but I did hear you.
Northern Ireland, 195 on the flight.
CQDX, New York 202, calling out all those stations. Thank you. It's really hard, but almost anybody that called my number, I did hear you well. It's just everybody's stepping on everybody, but New York 202 is on the side listening.
202, you copy 195?
Well, hello, 195, New York 202, operator Drew. Yes, I copy you.
Hello, Drew, my friend. You've also got Drew here. Long time no here.
Yes, my friend, Skip is just starting again. It went dry about 4 months ago, and long time no hear either. It's great to hear from you.
Yeah, just got a new antenna up to the battery, the 2016. You see that the battery broke on me. So we're just testing this one out and it's supposed to be working okay.
Well, it sure seems to be working. There's a lot of traffic on the band here, so it's hard. But gee, you're up there 5'7", and I picked you out over everybody.
You're the strongest American station on at the moment. But Drew, I will go here. I know it's not being the top on this channel, but lovely to hear you in there. And I'll be listening out for you.
73s, my friend. 73s, 195. And of course, I'm still at the YouTube thing there. I got the video running, so might take a day to get it up. But it's great talking to you. Keep working. Sounding good.
Okay, Drew. All the best, my friend, and we'll talk to you later. Enjoy the weekend.
You too, my friend, and you're doing good work. It's running. You're 5'7" and up in a 9. Good day to you, friend. I hear somebody calling Mr. Drew. This is Drew, New York 202. Well, hello, Matty. It's rough going today, but there I got you now.
I got you 5 and 7, 5 and 9, you're blasting
We got a lot of stations on, Matty, but you blast me 5, 7, and 9 also. Just there's everybody talking, but I hear ya.
anyone out there? 1 4 South Africa,
Matty is still out there. It's Droop.
yeah, still got you, Drew, still got you.
I'm losing you, my friend. The skip is going in and out, but I got you on video again. That's number 2 for you. You got Glenn beat. This is New York 202, Matty. I got some QSKs out there. That station just called. You're coming in, but I didn't get the numbers. Did I copy World Radio 800? It's kind of hard out there. I have a nice copy on you there, my friend, but I'm going to stay down on LSB. You're pumping it in. You're in the 20s. Here I am. Yeah, we're getting a lot of stations. I just had one come in, almost blew the meter out. CQDX. Okay, guys, the skip is just dropping out on me. I'll be back on later. Thank you again, and appreciate it. CB Radio Ghost Talk. Yeah, I'm the ghost, and I got the video running, so see what we have probably tomorrow. Seven threes, friend, and thanks again for meeting me up here. And we've got some video today for sure. It's running erratic, but once it settles out, wow, we're going to be in for it. Okay, friends, New York 202's on the side for a while. Let's rest the camera and the vocal cords. New York 202 is located in the Adirondack Mountains, northernmost part, 60 miles south of Montreal, Canada. But we are in New York State, USA. Now, see, we heard Kate in there. We heard a bunch of great stations. Matty was in there, of course, which that's great because I got 2 with him. And then we had 195 who I haven't talked to since last year, and some other folks. So I didn't expect it. I'm just checking the time. So again, if you're paying attention, and I do say the time once in a while, it's about 3:15 or 15 hours, somewhere around there. Okay, New York 202's on the side.